Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a review on a wig from XCSUNNY. So let's get into it. So here is the hair that I received. I purchased, so this video is not sponsored by XCSUNNY. I purchased this wig with my own pennies. And I absolutely love this hair, how it turned out. So it is a Afro kinky curly type texture. I'm gonna put a little closer. Yes, y'all, like look at these curls. They are popping. Okay, so inside, this is the inside. It has two clips on the side right here. It does not have a clip in the front, but it does have a clip in the back. And then it does have adjustable straps as well on each side. Another thing about this wig, it does have a machine-made scalp, as you can see, to kind of just give it a little more natural look. And this wig is a bangs. It has bangs as well. It's 100% human hair. The length that I decided to get was an 18-inch with 100% density. It is super full and thick. All right, so let's try this on. Actually, before I try it on, I am going to use my wig grip. I have my cap on already, so my hair is just braided under this cap into 4 sections. And then I just applied the cap. I am going to use my wig grip because this wig, it came in a medium cap size. So it's about 22.5 to 23 inches, which is a little bit big. I wish I would have requested to be made in a small cap size. So, but I found with purchasing this wig grip that I got from Amazon, it helps a lot with keeping the wig in place. So I'm gonna put this on. All right, and then let's try this on. So I'm gonna adjust the back side just with the adjustable straps. So I am using the clip that is in the back. However, I'm not using the clips on the side. Again, that's what the wig grip is for. So let's go ahead and fluff this out. Try to style these bangs a little bit. So this is pretty much it. I'll keep fluffing it out and adjusting it as I go. But I already shaped it to my face, to my liking. As you can see, I already styled it. So I want to go through that a little bit, the process that I did to achieve the curls, define the curls, which was super easy. So I started off, when I got this wig, I started off with shampooing the hair with a moisturizing shampoo. I didn't use anything specific. I used what I had at home, what I had on hand. So definitely use whatever you have. You don't have to buy anything specific, but it was a moisturizing shampoo. So whatever shampoo you use, make sure that it's a moisturizing shampoo. And then after shampooing the hair, I did use a moisture conditioner by TGIN. This is the conditioner I used on the hair. I rinsed it out really, really good. After that, I put the hair, after rinsing that out, I put the hair on a mannequin head and I applied some Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. There was minimum, very, very little shedding. I was so surprised because as you can see, this hair is really thick. It is super thick. And I was very surprised that there was not a lot of shedding, which was great. So then after that, after the leave-in conditioner, now it was time to section the hair. I used these little clips right here to section off the hair, and I did small sections because I really wanted to focus on defining the curls in this hair. So I clipped off the hair in small sections using my clips, and I applied the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. It's right here. This product is amazing. It smells. It does have a really strong smell to it. So if you are a person that don't like strong scents when it comes down to your hair products, be aware. But to me, I like fruity smelling stuff. So I really liked it. And it applied so well to this hair. So I took that along in smaller sections while the hair was really wet. Applied the Auntie Jackie's with my finger combed it through. Then I took this detangling brush, this little detangling brush by each section, and I just combed the hair through with this detangling brush until the curls start forming like I want it to. That's all I did. Super, super easy. I did that all over the hair, and then I did not dry it. I didn't diffuse it with a dryer or anything like that. I just let it air dry. So I sat it on my mannequin head overnight and I just let it air dry. The next morning, it was like this. Like, I put it on my head. I shaped the bangs a little bit, shaped it around my face a little bit, and then I just tweezed it. Like I said, I just tweezed it to fluff it out to make it a little bit bigger because I like big hair. And then, y'all, this is it. This is how I achieved this look. The hair is super soft. Y'all, so there you have it. Again, this hair is from XCSUNNY. I will link everything in the description below, so all the products that I mentioned, as well as tools that I used that I got off of Amazon. I will make sure I put the link to this hair, the XCSUNNY website that I purchased it from. I am super happy with this purchase. I will definitely purchase from them again. This hair is absolutely beautiful. It's so soft. It's so full. And like I said, these curls, y'all. If you purchase this hair, it will not look like this. When it comes out of the package, y'all, this hair is like, it does not, it definitely has the kinky afro. I'm gonna show you a picture of it. Hopefully y'all can see that. So you have to shampoo and condition the hair, or just do a co-wash with just conditioner, and then use a curling cream to detangle and like go through to define the curls, because during that process, that's how I achieve these curls. Like, look at these curls, and it looks natural. And this is I didn't even show y'all, this is how the scalp looks. A little fake scalp. That's how it looks. So not bad. But yeah. All right. Well, let me know if y'all have any questions. Please write comments below. Also, if you haven't done so already, like and subscribe to my channel. All right. See y'all next time.